Hi everyone! So a little story muna before I open them one by one. Okay, when I was in college, I used to love silvers. Like I wear silvers all the time. But when I got married, I switched to gold kasi medyo nagustuhan ko yung gold. But recently, I tried my silvers kasi I still have it with me. So I tried them on and I felt good and happy kasi I had so many good memories with my old silvers. So that time I told myself that why don't you add more silvers naman so that you can change gold or silver depending on your mood kung anong gusto mong suitin that time. So I think of Pandora, and this is my three first purchase from Pandora. So the first one comes from this cute box. This is the birthstone ring, and I have the month of June. It is called the Misty Rose Beaded Ring. This is so adorable. They have this in other colors. I wanted the green one, but that was for May. But anyway, who knows? I might get it someday because I really, really, really love green. So this is how it looks like. It has a code there. I bought this ring for my right index finger. I'm a size 6. The next one comes from this beautiful box as well. It has a white embossed Pandora name on top. I just adore it. So nice. But anyway, this is the Pandora reversible logo circle of sparkle necklace. This is very, very, very cute. I love it. I'm having a hard time getting it from the box, as you can see, but you can do it, Cesszy. Go, go, go. This is how it looks like. It has the shimmering stones in the front. It's very lovely. You can wear this as a formal um, accessories when you're wearing formal clothes. And the chain looks sturdy, and it has this little tiny logo on the lock area. And when you turn it around, it has this engraved writings that says Pandora. This is very cool. You can wear it this way if you're wearing casual clothes like jeans, shorts, and just if you want to be casual, you can wear it that way. And it has also these hard carvings on the sides. It's really pretty. It also have these 3 adjustable lengths. If you want to wear it as a choker, you can, and if you want to wear it longer, you can do it too. See how awesome that is? I love it. The last but not the least is this Moments bangle with heart-shaped snowflake charm with cubic zirconia. I choose the heart-shaped snowflake charm because it reminds me of our US trip, and I'm planning to buy the charms from the places that we are gonna travel soon. I hope God will allow us to travel. And there you go, my first 3 Pandoras. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.